Welcome to the Prism Design Center by Preet. I want to share a little bit more about what we do, how we can help you achieve the results you desire, and change somebody's life forever. These restorations we help design here are full mouth, implant supported restorations, whether fixed or over denture bars. So, to talk a little bit about Prism and what that is. The first thing to highlight about Prism is this is the only center in the United States that uses selective laser melting in combination with CNC milling. So what does that mean? What that means is you have the best of both technologies. With selective laser melting, we have complete freedom of design, and we could create fully customized titanium or chrome cobalt bars for these patients. CNC milling provides the accuracy necessary to the fit of the implants in the mouth. And when we talk about fully customizable designs, we can talk about doing a Montreal bar, but putting retention elements on it called our Pearl Finish that give you maximum mechanical retention with the acrylic you're going to be applying to these bars. Along with that Montreal design, we could do individually scalloped lingual finish lines around each tooth. We can do designs where we can provide individual preparations if you want to do zirconia crowns, in where you're going to apply pink acrylic or composite on the tissue. You're going to have this awesome pearl finish where you're going to have confidence that your resins are not going to delaminate under function in the natural oral environment. We also can do a primary secondary design, where we will do a 4-degree tapered primary bar with, say, locator attachment, hater bar attachments, plunger locks, and we're going to provide a secondary design where the internal will be milled for a precision fit, a friction fit when the patient inserts their prosthesis, as well as the external of the secondary will have this beautiful pearl finish. Again, this micro retention is like nothing that you would ever see at any other design center. Besides freedom of design, I want to highlight one other feature about SLM, selective laser melting, or 3D printing of titanium. The grade of titanium we achieve through 3D printing is grade 23. If you're just doing traditional CNC milling from a titanium puck, that's a grade 2, grade 4, or grade 5. With selective laser melting, the grade 23 titanium is much stronger. So on some of the situations where you may have a tight bite, but the patient was still promised fixed restoration, we could get down to maybe 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter wide by 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter wide bars. So we're making space-saving designs while, again, as a restorative clinician, as a restorative team, including the technician, you're going to be confident that you have full strength that you need to achieve, again, a beautiful restoration that's functional and also aesthetically pleasing to the patient. Another awesome thing we can do when designing the bars is angle the access channel, depending on the implant type, up to 24 degrees or possibly 30 degrees. So what that means for you is, if you do this beautiful setup, you have this idea of what your restoration wants to be. We scan it in, and we see an access channel for one of the implants coming straight out the facial of an anterior tooth. We could take it in the design software, pull that access channel back to an ideal location where it's not going to compromise aesthetics. That gives you everything you need to complete the case and deliver an awesome restoration for this patient. I also want to introduce who you'll be working with if you decide to give us a shot here at the Prism Design Center. So most likely, you'll probably be working with our head designer, Jeff Lopez. Jeff has over 25 years at the bench, another 5 years designing bars here in our design center. He's a wealth of knowledge. He's here to help you achieve the results you're looking for, whether that's through consultation, screen sharing, discussions. We want to make sure we're providing an end product that not only you'll be happy with, but also the patient's going to live with for the next X years. So, between Jeff, between our other design experts, We have well over 40 years experience in the industry, plus multiple years of experience on just full arch digital design. So give us a shot here at the Prism Center. You might be shocked by the results you'll see. There's endless possibilities in what we can create together, and through that, how many lives can we change?